వన్ ఏంటంటే బేసిక్‌గా మీరు టీవీ నుంచి వచ్చారు. ఎప్పుడు ఒక చిన్న ఇది ఉంటది జనాలకి. అంటే టీవీ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి ఒక డిస్క్రిమినేషన్
Yeah, yeah,
ఉంటదని
yeah, yeah.
చెప్పేసి.
Even
తర్వాత
now it happens.
అండ్ నెపోటిజం. ఈ
Yeah.
రెండిట్ల మీద మీ టేక్ ఏంటి?
Huh. Very good
నెపోటిజం
question.
ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇన్ ద బాలీవుడ్.
Uh, when it comes to first about
డిస్క్రిమినేషన్.
discrimination for the TV actor and all of this, I think we have had enough people around to break that thought. Biggest being Shah Rukh Khan, he came from TV.
యా.
We have Vidya Balan came from TV. We have so many. Latest, I would be saying names like Mrunal Thakur. All of these are TV faces, and as somebody who worked for TV for so long, and even now I'm working for TV, I'm doing
Yeah.
a reality
Yes.
show this year as well. So
ఖతరోం కే ఖిలాడి.
it makes me feel so proud that there is no limitation anymore. And yes, there are people who would feel like filmmakers who would feel that, you know, a TV face is already so exposed. Like people know how they cry, people know how they look, then what
Yes.
is new that they can offer. I get it. Even now there are some channels somewhere, there are repeat telecast of my shows also coming, and people will feel that if they are seeing them on TV, why will they go to a theater, spend money?
యా.
It's the same person. But even after that, the reason I keep getting work is because they know that on TV what I did, I can deliver something else here, something different here, and there is a potential that only that film can show of me. So I think people are understanding of this much more now than it used to be.
Yeah.
It used to be very strict about if I'm wearing a sari in a show, then it is supposed to be like that forever.
యా.
But now people understand that it is a character. Now I can experiment, I can, you know, do other things as well. So I think with time that is changing. So there is no hesitation there. And I personally haven't really experienced that because after Uyala Jampala, I think many doors opened for me. So I didn't have to feel that there is a lack of opportunity because I'm a TV face. I didn't feel it personally, but this is what I see around.
యా.
Now comes to the second point of nepotism. I think, honestly speaking, if my daughter, if my son would want to be an actor, I would do everything in my power to, you know, get them there. And even if they are bad, I will not stop trying. It's fair, right? It's my daughter, my son. Why will I stop trying? So even if they are bad, even if there are 10 back-to-back flops, I will speak to a producer I know and be like, you know, give the 11th opportunity, which otherwise doesn't happen.
Yes.
So I understand this point of view, but at the end of the day, when it comes to the receiving end, because I am an outsider, I do not have any, you know, TV background, or I don't know many people. I know very limited people, and even when films are being made, we don't know films are being made. I also get to know through news articles that okay, the first schedule is done. Like, oh, okay. So we don't get to know.
Yes.
But there are opportunities that insiders or people who are into or are a product of nepotism would know that this film is getting made. Maybe I can speak to the director and get this audition at least. We don't get that, and I think I've made peace with it over the years. Over the years, I've realized that what has to come to me will come.
ఎప్పటి నుంచో మీరు వచ్చిన దగ్గర నుంచి ఇందాక టాటూ చూపించిన దగ్గర నుంచి ఒక డౌట్ అందులో మంచి మంచి అంటే ఏదో
I
డిజైన్స్
have a lot of tattoos.
ఈస్ దేర్ ఎనీ మీనింగ్ ఫర్ దట్?
Yeah. Yeah. Some tattoos have meanings.
పర్సనల్
No, nothing like that. This is a globe which has a plane because I like to travel. This is just a bracelet, no meaning. This is Kismat written in Punjabi. Kismat is luck
ఓకే.
written in Punjabi.
ఓకే.
I didn't write it for the meaning. I wrote it because I like the song in the film in Punjabi.
ఓకే.
I was very young and stupid. This is an hourglass. This, I think you must have seen it in Nikhil's hand also.
Okay.
There's some other singer also. It was
ఎందుకు
like a group tattoo.
గ్రూప్ టాటూ.
Yeah, everybody got it. Okay, I wasn't a part of the group. I don't know the group. But everybody got it. I saw it. I also want it. And I got it. I don't know anybody. I
Yes,
just know
yes.
Nikhil.
Yes,
And
yes.
because we were working on a film together and we realized that, you know, oh, I like the tattoo. It's really cute. I'll also get it. So I also got it.
ఓకే.
No meaning attached, nothing. It was just like I want to be a part of the group. I was too young and stupid.
Yes.
Then I have a tattoo here on my back of my dog who passed away.
ఓకే.
But yeah, my dog was very close to me, and he's around blessing me. I have many other chotu small tattoos, one on my ankle and all of that, and yeah, it
Okay.
feels like something that makes me remember of where I was at that stage of my life. It's a good reminder to have, but yeah, it's a lot of work when we are shooting because you have to cover everything with
Every
makeup.
tattoo.
Oh, every time there is more makeup on my hands and feet than my face. Literally, I'm not kidding.
Because to cover the tattoos,
Yeah,
yeah.
every shot, and if there is a hand shot, I have to be so careful because if it's a finger visible, I have to keep my hand like this so that it's not visible. Too much hard work. So actors avoid tattoos. It's too much work.
But cricketers, it works.
Yeah, that it works.
Yes, yes.